I saw a patient the other day who's been told that she might have to wait at least a year before she has a hip replacement surgery. Lockdown's been such a difficult time for all of us, and for people like her, it must feel as though there's no end in sight if you're in pain day and night. If this has happened to you or someone you know, what can you do about it? I might be able to help. You don't need health insurance to have private treatment. Lots of people choose to pay for their own treatment, and they enjoy the benefits of having surgery when they want it in a clean, well-equipped private hospital. Within a few weeks of your operation, you'll be getting on with your life again, enjoying those things which seemed impossible during lockdown. I work with a brilliant team of nurses, anaesthetists and physiotherapists. If you'd like to know more, please sign up through my website. I'll send you lots of information about what it means to have hip surgery, top tips and tricks to help you before and afterwards. If you want to, you can just call the office, speak to Anne and Tracy, and they'll make an appointment for you to come and see me in clinic.